Our topic is about the set. Set are actually the collection of well defined objects uh, and no element must be repeated in set. Okay, now question is what is the meaning of well-defined? Actually, well-defined objects mean uh, there must be a no doubt on that definition. The object must be a uh, very clear without any doubt. For example, if I say that the set of the most beautiful people, but maybe there the person I am considering the most beautiful, there may be an existence of there is a possibility of the existence of the person which may be a more beautiful uh, than the person which are assumed by me. So the well-defined mean there the definition must be so clear that there no any type of doubt may be apply on that. Okay, so this is the actual definition of subset. There are subset may be a set may be a maybe set may be a uh, connected or disjoint disjoint. But before discussing that, what is the meaning of the connected and disconnected, we must familiar with some notations. I must explain some notations related to the sets. Okay, that will be used in explaining to explain the set. So these are the different notations. For example, uh, if I say that this mean this this mean implies that, or you may say that this is actually, or you may say that the element of, oh sorry, I'm writing wrong. uh, so I mean belong to, or may say that element of, or there may be a type. This mean implies that, okay, this represent the implies that. This mean not implies that. This there is like this edge. This mean, and if like this mean all. If there is notation like phi or this represent the empty set. Okay. I will explain this if this is notation, this may be mean this implies that this is intersection. I will explain later what is the meaning of intersection. And this will be represent union. And I think all the okay, these are the different uh, there maybe we use this is called alpha, maybe to define the difference at beta. Okay, so set maybe there is one type of the set is defined as subset. Now I will explain what is the meaning of subset. Uh, Subset actually when uh, the subset or the set subset is actually the set is actually the set which contain the uh, the, this the subset is actually the set which contain the element which are also the also the the elements of main which are also the elements of the main set. Actually, what is happen when we apply any new new condition on the main set, then we obtain the the subset of main set. For example, if you can, for example, if you define the main set as uh, main set is the set of all math students, then we made when we apply a new condition on that. For example, if I apply the condition on math student that must be belong to that must be a male, then this will become a subset of this main set S. For example, if I define uh, M are the male student male student of math, and I define uh, F is if I apply the new condition of on the math student that are the females of female students of math, then when I apply condition like a male student, then this will be also a subset of the main set of all math student. And if I apply the condition it they must be a female student of math, then also are the student that will be also the belong to the subset. Okay, and that will be subset of the main set S. So I must say that this implies that when I apply the condition, so when I I have applied the condition of condition to be male or to be female on sorry on set set S, which is the set of math student, then M and F will be subset of S. Okay, so he forget this notation. So this mean there must be another notation that is if this mean subset and this mean where I apply not subset. So these are the different notation to define the will be used in the okay in the set theory. Okay, so the M and F will be the subset subset may be proper subset or improper subset. Okay, proper subset mean uh, if uh, if some elements of main sets are missing from subset, then this kind of subset will be defined as proper subset. But in the case if subset is the same as main set is that it contains all the elements of the main set main set then that will be defined as a proper subset. For example, sorry, improper subset. So, uh, s- so what is the meaning of, sorry, so what is the meaning of this? So, F and M are the proper subset. So, set S, so, so S and F are the proper subset of main set S. But if in this case, but if only male students has taken admission in math class, then then uh, not S, this is M. Okay. Then M student of male math student male student of math what male students of math male student of math will be improper subset of improper subset will be improper subset of S, which is students of math. So even I have applied the condition, but if the only the male students has taken admission in math class, then such kind of set will be defined. And such kind of subset will be defined as improper subset. Mean the main set and subset are the same. Then such kind of the subset will be defined as proper subset. Okay. Now question is this is about the proper subset and improper subset. Okay. Okay. As I have already explained, that set may be a proper set. Oh, sorry. Set may be a connected, or set may be a disconnected. Uh, a disjoint set. Okay. Before explaining what is the meaning of the, if the two sets are connected set, firstly I have defined connected set. If two sets are connected, then their intersection, uh, then if then two sets, then subset. For example, if there are set like which may be the which contain which are the okay, firstly I have to explain different notation what is the meaning of union, and then I may explain. uh, for example, what firstly I have to define what is the meaning of union of the set. Union of two set. Okay, firstly start from the two set. It may be more than two sets, but for simplicity I will okay, union of two set. Union mean if you have a two set A and B. For example, if you have if you have two sets A and B, then A union B mean all element of X, okay, which X must belong to the, that must be X must be element or belong to the A, or X must belong to the B, or X belong to A as well as, and sorry, yes, I say that this is mean A and X is belong to the B. So it means X may be a element of A, X may be element of A, and X may be element A and B both. That called the union of. What is the meaning of intersection? Intersection of two sets. If sorry, if you I'm writing the A intersection B, then X must be element of A and element of B. Mean they must be belong to the both set. That is intersection mean they must be belong to the both set. Mean if there must be the element of X, the intersection, if the X is the element of intersection of A and B, then it must be element of A as well as the B. So according to this definition, I may define as connected set. A and B will be connected if their intersection A intersection, oh, sorry, A intersection B is not or you may say that A intersection B is not phi. Okay, then that will be a connected set. Mean they uh, intersection mean they have a common element. Okay, if A and B are have a common element, then that will be defined as a connected set. Disjoint set. Okay, if A and B don't have any uh, don't have common set common element, then that will be a disjoint set. Okay, that is also used in for the spaces too. Okay, but timing you may ignore it, but you may use it for the definition of set because your topic is related to set. Okay, or A intersection B mean their intersection mean intersection mean the intersection represent the common element. If there is a no common element, then that set will be defined as a disjoint set. Okay, so these are about there are different brackets used to explain the used in the set theory. For example, uh, okay, for example, uh, these are defined as discrete bracket, discrete brackets, and all the element in discrete brackets have uh, uh, it contain only the element uh, all the elements mentioned in this bracket will represent only those elements. They have their own identity. They have no neighborhood. Okay, but if I say that such I have explained this I have shared a separate lecture about these brackets. If this is a okay this is a close bracket is present the close bracket. For example, if this is AB, it mean all element from it mean all elements from A to B. For example, if you have, for example, you have a 0 to 1, then it mean all elements, all numbers between 0 and 1, even including 0, 0.00, 0.01, 0.0001, 0.000001, mean contains all the type and also the boundary element. And uh, uh, always remember, so it contains the boundary element. It includes the boundary elements. But if there is open bracket, it is also like the, we also this is also this notation also used for the open bracket. Okay, it mean all elements from A to B, but A and B will be excluded. Yeah, mean will be not element will will be included. You may say that actually this bracket is you may say that actually this bracket is actually the AB, the all element from A to B, but A and B, because this bracket, discrete bracket, represent the only the element of as a member as a discrete element of the AB. Mean these represent, they have only A and B. Okay, or you may say that this is AB minus AB minus. Okay, now we will or the mixed brackets. There may be some like so so boundary elements will not include. Or mixed bracket, like you may say that like this this mean A, B, but only B is not included. Okay. You may also say that or there may be like this bracket. Similarly, we may miss the starting element. May you may write that that is A B, but A is missing. So and these is all about the brackets. Now we will discuss some. For example, if I have to if for example, if I say that draw uh, graph or shape 0 to 0 1 1, what is meaning of this? Who we may draw the graph? It mean this will be represent the first element that is belong to the x. Okay, x will be from 0 to 1, and this y will be also belong to 0 to 1. So you may draw a graph. This is x minus x, y minus y. So to draw this graph, yes, x value is from x value is 0, y value is sorry, I must write x is 0, y x is x 0, y 0. So x 1 0 1, uh, x 0, y 1. Oh, sorry. Here x 1, y 0, because y 0, and here x0, y1. So if this, let's suppose for the, firstly I draw for it close bracket. Okay. Okay. So for close bracket, it will contain a boundary element 2. So this will be 1, 1. Okay. Here x will be a 1 and y will be a 1. So this, so all the point between all points, including boundary points, will be defined. So, so all points of graph, all points in square box was in including boundary points will represent the points of given problem. But if if I define open bracket 0, 0, if I replace close bracket with open bracket, then boundary points will be excluded. So for today, it is enough. Okay. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.